Hello, welcome to Cheryl Woodworking. Today I'm going to give you a review and my opinion on the 12-inch by 24-inch Wind drill press table. I purchased this item on Amazon back in October of 2021. It features an adjustable fence along with an adjustable stop block. Stop block slides all the way across the fence. The fence adjusts completely the width of the table, and it's also removable. It has two T-tracks enable you to clamp items down to the table while you are drilling them. It has a replaceable MDF insert that you can take and flip over and also rotate. But I recommend using a backer board so when you're drilling you do not drill into the table. The table is designed such a way that when you get ready to raise the table up, you do not have to remove the drill press table. You're able to access the full rotation of your table height adjustment. Currently, I have mine mounted on a cheaper scale benchtop 10-inch drill press. Also on Amazon right now, they're listed at $47.43. It will be hard to build one with the features available any cheaper. Depending on your table configuration on the bottom, you may need to make some filler blocks for the clamps to clamp onto to hold the table securely. And since having this thing for almost 3 years, it has been an awesome purchase. I would definitely purchase it again if I was in need of one. Please consider subscribing as I'm now beginning to film and upload project videos. There will be CNC router videos and projects, wood turning and woodworking projects, along with some laser engraving videos. Please leave me a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for upcoming videos. Thank you.